So you guys want to know where I get this amazing sound effects. So if you are a new creator and want to know how to edit your videos like your favorite YouTubers and use copyright free amazing sound effects and want to improve your editing by doing that,
Yes, you can.
so keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Farhana Nuzhat. So guys, I know if you are a new YouTuber just starting out your channel, I know the struggles to use like copyright free music, copyright free sound effects, copyright free memes and stuff like that. When you are just starting out, you need to think about some things, and copyright free things is one of those. So if you are my fantastic or you are already subscribed to my channel, then you guys have noticed I have recently uploaded so many sound effects. I have just uploaded those super trendy, most used sound effects which are free and which don't have copyrights also, so you guys can use them for your editing as well. You guys can get these from audio library, but YouTube's audio library has been updated, and so it is a bit headache to find some real gems from all those tracks. So I have uploaded some for you guys on my channel, so you guys can check it out on this playlist. So guys, I have selected some really amazing tracks, so you guys can go through the playlist and you guys can choose whatever sound effects your video suits, like this one or this one. Like, so fantastic. After you have chosen your sound effects, now I will tell you how you guys can use it in your editing software, whatever it is. Today I am showing it on KineMaster, but the same method will work on literally any editing software you guys use. So now I will tell you guys how you guys can actually download it and use it in your editing software. So yeah, let's see. So guys, yeah, let me show you guys how to actually download and use all the sound effects. So I have recently uploaded this video, and in this video, if you guys open this video and play it, and then if you go into the description of this video, then you will find out there is a Google Drive link. So you have to just click on that link and download the sound effects. I have mentioned plenty of sound effects in this folder, so you guys can just open and choose whatever you want and just click on the track that you want, just like this one, and listen it. If this is the one, then you have a download icon on top, this one, and then just click this one, and then it will open up, and just click blue download button, and after you have clicked that, then it will automatically starts downloading in your system. So now that our sound is saved in our downloads folders, so now it's super easy. Now you have to just open your whatever software you use. I used KineMaster, so I am going to show you guys in this one, but this will literally work the same for any other editing software. So now you have to just open your project that you have to edit, and then you just have to select the file. Here I'm just muting the original audio so you guys can hear the audio I'm placing. So you have to click that audio button and you have to select the sound effect. So the sound effect name starts from B, so we are going to this one. So now let's hear, and yeah, this is the one. So you have to press the add button, and here we have the track. So now that it is selected, you guys can see the effect is already added. So yeah guys, this is just how easy you guys can add this, and it is like super easy, and you guys can play with the sound effects, you guys can literally add it anywhere you want. Just hold and change its position, and yeah, this is just how easy it is. So now I am going to show you guys another method in which you guys can literally choose any sound effect and download it and use it in your videos. So now let me show you guys the second method. So guys, now for the second method, you guys have to come back to YouTube and you have to open your search bar, and then you have to search this whatever sound effect name it is, and the beautiful wonderful people on YouTube might have already saved it for you guys. So if this is for example is the audio that we want, so we can easily download this audio. So now let me show you guys how. So you just have to click on the share button, but before that make sure it is copyright free. So here it is copyright free, so now I'm going to click on the share button, and then I am going to and after you have clicked on that, then you have to click copy link in this share features. You have to copy the link of this video, and now that the link is copied, now we have to go back in our screen, and now we have to just open our browser. I am using Chrome, so I'm going to open Chrome, and then you have to search this headline, and yeah, now you have to search it, and this is the search results. Now you have to find this website YT1S, and this is like the best and trustworthy website, and you have to come to this next bar, which is YouTube to MP3. So here we can just paste our link in this box, and it will come. So now that our link is already pasted, now we have to convert. So as soon as we converted it, here is the link. So click on that get link button and just press it, and after we pressed it, we will have another download link. So you just have to click on this download link. So now when you're going to download it, it will be downloaded in your downloads folder, and then you have to just simply apply it in your editing software. And yeah guys, that's it. That is how easily you guys can download any effect. So yeah guys, this is just exactly how you guys can edit your dream videos and make your dream video come true, and edit your video just like how you like it. So yeah guys, this is just how simple it is to add sound effects and make your video and take your YouTube video to another level. And yeah guys, that's all. If you have any other questions or have any other questions regarding the editing and any other thing that you want me to show you guys, let me know in the comment section below. Please ask all your questions, and I will have an idea about what you guys really wanted me to make. And yeah guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that it helped you guys, and if this video helped you and you've learned something new, then make sure to give this video a like. And if you guys want more this type of content, then make sure you guys are subscribed and also turn on the notifications so you guys don't miss any further uploads. And yeah guys, that's all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.